Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Pepperstone to MetaTrader 5, and I will show you in a quick way how you can do this. So first of all, we need to create an account that has the platform MetaTrader 5. So we go to demo, select on add trading account, select right here MetaTrader 5, account type standard, nickname is Tommy MT5. And then right now select here the amount that you want to trade with, and we select here the US dollar, so the currency, and then we do submit. And then right now what we will do is click right here on download MetaTrader 5, and now we have here the Pepperstone exe right there. So click on yes, and then you will see this right here. And now we click on next again, and now he is downloading the Pepperstone MetaTrader 5 setup. And now we click right there on finish. And now he is opening MetaTrader 5 right here on our screen. So now we click here on next, select right here, connect with an existing trading account. And then now I will show you exactly what we need to do, because we need to click right here on the email that we got. So now you will find here all the information, and then we need to use right here our account number and our password. So we will do this real quick. So if I go to login, I select right here my account number, fill it in right there. So we will do 621 and then 09922. And then right here we have our password. So we fill in our password real quick. And right now we are in MetaTrader 5. So it's that easy, and hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching, hey, and have a wonderful day. Ciao.